Welcome to the Baby Cubby. My name is Baylee and I am CPS Tech here at our store. And today we are going to go over tips and tricks on the Doona. But before we dive in, make sure to like and subscribe and comment with any questions you might have. And remember, you can shop for this product and many more on babycubby.com. Now let's get into it. For those of you who aren't familiar with the Doona is an all-in-one car seat and stroller system, and it's the first of its kind. Why it's great for the first year of your baby's life is for the convenience. It is just a simple car seat and stroller system that you can use without any attachments from car seat to car or car seat into stroller. It just all comes as one. A lot of people come into the store looking for the Doona. You're seeing them around a lot more. A lot of people have these, and so people want to come in and see what it's all about. One thing you should know about the Doona is it comes with infant inserts, as all car seats are supposed to. When you are going to be removing the inserts, the body insert is the only thing that will be removed, whereas the head support is the side impact protection, so you do not want to remove the head support. All right, so the first thing you need to do is unbuckle the seatbelt. So you'll undo the clips and the chest clip. And then that bottom piece is really easy to remove. You'll just slip off the piece just like that. And like I said previously, to keep the head support inside. Next, we're going to talk about handlebar position. When you are putting it inside the car, you want to make sure that the handlebar is completely lowered into this position, because when it is installed in the car, this acts as an anti-rebound bar, which is another safety feature in case of an accident. And then when you are strolling, you can fully extend it or keep it lowered depending on your height. You can also put it into trolley mode, where you can position the handlebar like this and walk it alongside you. When you are trying to find the expiration date, it is located on the bottom of the car seat, which you will find right here underneath the harness straps. Expiration dates are something to be aware of. Doona has up to 6 years expiration, so you want to be updated on when your car seat expires for your ultimate safety. One thing to remember about the Doona is it is a rear-facing car seat only. You have 3 installation options. There is base and latch, base and seatbelt, or just seatbelt. We love that the Doona provides 3 different installation options, especially a baseless seatbelt option. To do this, you will see that there is a route for the lap belt to go through. So when you are installing it, you will thread the lap belt, buckle it, and then you will take the shoulder belt and wrap it around in the European installation route. As a parent, having convenient features is really important, especially having a baseless seatbelt installation option. It's great for when you are traveling or if you are going into multiple cars. If you have the option to install your car seat in the middle seat, I highly recommend that's where you put it because it is the safest position. However, if you don't have the option, make sure to check your vehicle manual to know where to place your car seat in the safest position. There are a lot of different accessories that Doona provides, but as you may see that the Doona doesn't have a lot of storage, a great accessory to look into is the essentials bag that attaches here, where you can have more storage to put things that you don't want it to carry. Other accessories include more snap-on storages, travel bags, handlebar covers, sunshades, insect nets. There's also rain covers, winter covers, or foot muffs, which are both accessories for colder climates. One great feature to note is the Doona is FAA approved, which means that the Doona is certified to be installed on a plane. It can fit directly through a larger aisle on a plane and be installed right on the seat. As a parent, the Doona is super convenient for travel. It's awesome that you can put it directly on the plane so that it remains with you at all times and you are less likely to lose it. That wraps up our tip video on the Doona. We love this innovative stroller and car seat combo, and we know you're gonna love it too. Remember, you can shop for the Doona at babycubby.com. We offer price matching and free shipping on orders of $95 or more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.